I'm about to share with you one of those steps I used to use to tie my aso-oke, and it's do come out very nice despite the fact that the aso-oke is not easy to control. But with these simple steps you can achieve this on your own without no intervention of anyone. So I'm starting by getting that material and pleating it down. So that's the first pleat, and I'll be making another pleat, making two. Because I want to cover up the middle of my head, I will not make more than two pleat at the front. So if you want your horn to open up, you can make like 3, 4, 5, depending on how open you want the middle part to be. Now this is the second one, and I'm trying to arrange to both sides. After this, the next thing I'll do is take the excess backward and cross it. Take note, the division of this style is 50-50, and that is equal part. So after I must have crossed it to the front like this, the next thing is to work with the leftover part. So I'll first go to the first one and twist it to halfway. Okay, not everything. I'll twist to halfway like this and keep it underneath my armpit. Now go to the other one, and I'm going to repeat the same process by pleating it to halfway like this. Now I'm going to raise it up to meet the previous pleat I made. Just put it like this. If you have a lengthy material, you can cross it, but my material is not that long and I want it to be enough for what I want to create. So I'll just put it like this, stretch one part up, out like this, and take it like I'm folding into two. Take the excess sideways and secure down with an office pin. So be watchful so that you don't pin your hand. Now this part, I'll close it up properly like this, like folding into two, then get it secured with another office pin, just like this. Okay, so after I must have secured with an office pin, I only have one part left, which is this small one here. So what am I going to be doing with it? I'll stretch it out as well like this. So once I stretch out like this, look at what I'm going to form with it. Just take it round like you want to make a rose at the side of the one you stretch out earlier. Watch my hand carefully. Take your time and be careful. So you take it round like that and adjust the necessary places. Pick up an office pin and secure the edges together. After securing, adjust the adjustables and pull this one to meet it at the back. And you need another office pin to secure both together. Once you are done with that, the next thing you're going to do is adjust all adjustables, and guess what, you are done with your head wrap. But before you go, remember to check the back. Okay, and I am done. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.